Yesterday I bought a new appliance. This is a Hello electric stainless steel multi-cooking pot. Let's check it out. Counter cooking. No kitchen? No problem. I was in a local Asian supermarket. It was H-mart, if you have one of those near you. And they had these on sale. And I saw that they were stainless steel, so that was really interesting for me. Even though I do love my Dash Mini appliances, I am not a fan of the fact that they have non-stick coating. I would much rather prefer like a stainless steel cooking surface, and this has a stainless steel cooking surface. So I thought I would buy one and test it out. There's not much information on the box. It says premium 18/8 stainless steel inner pot and steamer, heat resistant glass lid to monitor cooking process, adjustable thermostat control cord included, suitable for a variety of foods, noodles, stir fry, hot pot, and more, and keep out of reach of children. That's what the cooking pot looks like, and they came in two colors. They came in this light pink color, and they also came in a light blue color. Here's what it looks like when I open the box. So we have the glass lid, and we have the stainless steel steamer. Here is the rest of the unit. So it comes with this heating base. It does not have an adjustable thermostat on the cord at all. Now the pot has two temperature settings. It has off, then it has low, and then it has high. So we're gonna see how these work. There's the glass lid that fits on top. It has a cute handle. And then it also has a steamer that fits on it. And the lid fits on that. So I thought that was really nice also. So I do have my Itaki Pro electric lunchbox, which has a steamer attachment, and it does have a stainless steel insert. However, with the Itaki Pro lunchbox, that cooks by steaming. And this one, you can put water in here and then steam whatever's in the steaming basket, but you don't have to steam what's in here. So if I dump some soup in here, for example, it should just be able to heat up soup like a pot would, versus the Itaki Pro electric lunchbox, which will create steam and then heat up the soup via steam, which sometimes takes a lot longer and does not get as hot. Now this appliance is 600 watts, and it says the capacity is 1.5 liters. So some important instructions for this pot is you do not immerse the pot in water when you're cleaning it. And the other thing, it says when using it for the first time, add water to the maximum water level line, then boil the water and dump it. Do not use the pot before you clean it. So I cleaned the pot, rinsed it out, I filled it up with water to the max line. Now I'm gonna put it on high, and we'll see how long it takes to come up to a boil. So I just put the cover on, and the booklet that comes with this says that the water should boil in about 10 minutes. It calls this the kettle, and then the steamer basket the steamer. So it will be interesting to see how fast this will actually boil water. If it will indeed bring water up to a boil in 10 minutes, that's pretty good for an appliance like this. We know that it takes at least 20, if not 30 minutes in the Dash Mini rice cooker and similar appliances. It's been 10 minutes and I'm hearing a lot of noise here, so let's see what's going on. Okay, we're not up to a full rolling boil, but it sounds like we're getting there. All right, it's been 17 minutes and we have a full rolling boil. So not as quick as I would like, but it's pretty good. They say if you now put this on the lower heat setting, it'll continue to simmer it. But since this is the initial boil, they say the first time, fill it up and then discard the water. So I'm gonna discard the water, let it cool down a little bit, and then let's try making some soup. So my initial reaction is that these handles are really nice. They did not get hot at all. It was really easy just to pick it up by the handles, dump everything out, rinse it out. So we're good. So inside this unit, there is a minimum line and a maximum line. And they say you don't want to cook anything below the minimum line or above the maximum line. I guess if it's below the minimum line, there's a chance that it could burn. If all the water evaporates and if it's above the maximum line, there's a chance that it could spill out the top. So that is what is indicated in the brochure. So I have this container of beautiful homemade escarole and bean soup. It's probably like my favorite soup, and it's been in my refrigerator. So I'm going to ladle out some of this into the cooking pot and we'll heat it up. I do want to add one thing to it. After it comes up to a boil, I do want to mix in an egg and make kind of like an egg drop escarole and bean soup. So we'll see how this goes. So this is not going to be up to the minimum line. We're about halfway to the minimum line. We'll see what happens when we try this. I mean, this is quite a big pot. If I fill it up to the minimum line, that's going to be more than I want to eat right now. So let's put this on high and let's see how long this takes to come up to a boil. It's been about 3 minutes and we have a rolling boil here, so I'm going to turn it down to low. What I like about the stainless steel pots also is that you can use stainless steel utensils. So now that it's good and hot, I'm going to add an egg. I'm going to add a large egg that I've beaten. And I'm going to stir it around. I'm actually going to put it back up to high. I'm going to let that cook for a few more minutes until the egg is more set. See, it came right up to a boil right away. Okay, so I'm going to turn the heat off. So here is my egg drop escarole and bean soup. It looks really good. A whole lot of escarole. And the egg has made the broth more creamy. So let's give this a taste. It's really good. And so that's how easy it is to heat up some soup in this Hello stainless steel cooking pot. And I think it is a neat little appliance and I'm looking forward to using it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.